in detail in my slides next time. Now, at a gateway level security, with the help of Fortinet boxes, we have created various protection profiles. We have secured our network with a netting. Now, netting is a very, very good aspect. Need not to give public IP to the servers to whom we want to be publicly accessed. Netting is a way by which you can secure your even those servers who are publicly available also. Then we have, once the number of users grow up to a certain limit, there has to be, I was discussing yesterday with your HOD about the kind of policies you have created at a gateway level. But after a certain beyond of number of users, there has to be some content filtering. There has to be some processes in place at a gateway level about the availability of those sites which should be given to the users or not. That's what we have implemented at the gateway level. Now, once our number of users grown, once we have more number of IT things, we also face challenges. And we faced a lot many challenges. As you are seeing in the slide, there were just in 2008, 6,000 number of users have increased. Then AMITY had a vision of providing a multimedia rich content to the users by recording the classes, by transmitting various contents which are rich in multimedia. So all these things was ultimately choking that network. Then we have also installed IP camera surveillance for all our locations as well as remote locations, and taking that feed to the complete at a central hub level. So even that was also started choking our network. Then there was always an increase in demand. The way AMITY grew, there is always, and every application requires a separate hardware, a separate server, which has resulted us to go up to even 37 servers. So we started feeling pinch of managing those high number of servers, and also started pinching that problem of redundancy also at a server level, because network level, as I explained, we did. Then same way we also felt a requirement of storage also, because the kind of contents, the kind of data what we were flowing in our network has grown in many folds also. Whether it is the IP cameras recording, because IP cameras recording also needs to be kept for at least 10 days, 15 days. Then we started giving a home folders to our students so that they can have access to their data from any part of our network. Need not to be locally kept their data. Then personal storage capacity and everything. Data increases in many fold, as we yesterday seen. The 1 MB attachment is really grown to the requirement of 51 MB. So same for a 65,000 users, data has exponentially grown us. So all these things, after a thorough evaluation, we came to a conclusion by providing a EMC storage box on a VMware virtualization. Reasons are I think we all are aware, so I will not go through in detail, but they are a market leader. So what we had conceptualized of this project is to have a server consolidation. 37 servers independently handling is really a problem. Yesterday we had seen a lot about green IT. I will say this is what a green IT is: cost reduction in physical infrastructure. On putting on all these servers on a blade server, which reduces the power, which reduces the physical space, which reduces the air conditioning, which reduces the UPS power. So all these things is what is green IT. So we have to optimize our networks, our servers. Then definitely at a centralized storage, all these gives you a more responsiveness, more flexibility, availability. I think these you will all agree, once we have a structured centralized network, all these features automatically comes to you. I'm sorry, I'm little bit hurrying it because I already got a note from. So this is what we have deployed, a virtualization. Virtualization is basically splitting your blades, splitting your servers in a logical partitions. always a benefit of getting pooled. You see, all the servers, all the applications are not required all the time at a peak level. So, whatever is required by whichever server, resource can be pooled at a center place, can be dynamically allocated to that particular application on a use basis. That is what a basic principle of VMware with a complete centralized storage. We have a HP C-class 5-plate server, and just to give a small hint, we could able to manage all 37 servers after virtualization on just 3 blades of blade servers. So one blade of course a dual quad processor 8 GB RAM was able to handle 10 of my physical alone servers. So just a 5-bladed chassis with a 4 blades populated, 3 blades for all those 37 servers, and 1 blade as a standby. That's all. So this is what a usefulness, or what is the final outcome we got from the VMware and virtualization. Then definitely again those benefits which we had heard in almost all the sessions about centralizing that thing. Finally, a very important business aspect, business benefit, because all the organizations run on business benefit. What we had seen in earlier session also, if any solution, any human being is ultimately not able to give benefit to the organization on a business term, they will not survive. So this is the application by which we got a better manageability, standardization of process. It's a very important. In general concept, anybody, we have a so big manpower, anybody who does installation or preparation of any server, everybody do in their own ways. With VMware, with the central storage, we can even store the templates. It saves time also. Need not to do those repetitive tasks again and again. Those templates are readily available, repetitive task has to be just copied again and things are ready. So huge saving in manpower also. Full utilization of resources, as I said, cost effectiveness, higher availability, lower cost, remote manageability. As I said, sitting at Sector 125 Noida campus, we are remotely managing all locations, whether it is a Bangalore, it is a Bombay, it is a Jaipur, it is a Lucknow, and we have to keep an entry-level manpower, IT manpower there, just to have few things which cannot be remotely managed, like a physical booting of server or physical changing of any part. Otherwise, that core team, that core hub, a skilled manpower is just at the center place, which is manning our data center 24/7/365 and are managing complete network. Few of our future projects which we are ready after preparing this virtualization platform is live classroom transmissions. As you know, there is always a scarcity of good faculty members, and what we want to implement is a live classroom scenario. It's not an e-learning. E-learning is just a transmission of class from a studio. What we want to transmit is a live classroom, a live session like this from one place to all our other locations. Same way, live transmissions of various functions. We want to record all class also and archive at a central place, so that even students who have not attended those class or who want to revise them, or even for the faculty members who want to improve their lecture delivery skills, can view those recorded lectures and take benefit out of it. We are in the discussion with EMC on a digital library for all research papers, so that whatever level that some project